ready for racing. Hopefully the track will hold up, be in good shape.
Good luck, Dalton.
Y'all are going to bypass this course.
He's third in AA right now. Well, I ain't seen Brandon come through on his first lap. He should have already been through a pretty good bit ago. Oh, I think he just pulled off. There goes Nick. Looks like got a lead change. Dustin's in first, then Corey. Well, Dustin's in first. Andrew's double A, then Corey. No, Andrew's heavy A, then Corey's double A, and then Justin's double A. And I heard Dalton. I think Dalton's fourth in double A. Yeah, he's fourth right now. Right now Andrew has the overall since he's a class behind the double A guys. So that means he made up the time. So he's actually ahead of them. Damn downshift.
Clint, you stupid jackwagon.
Justin Leonard second. I think I heard Dalton. Corey Jordan third. See if I can zoom in and get them from way over here.
I'm getting up there.
I'm up here. Hey, there's Nick. This is the best spot. Haha, you peasants. Losers. Justin's still on him. freaking wall ball on it, dude. Sounds like Dustin's coming. Yeah. Looks like Dustin's gonna get the AA win. And probably the overall, because he probably put some time on Andrew. The reason he was so far back on the first lap is because he bent his brake pedal all the way underneath his engine case. It's like Justin Leonard got second.
I got arm pump and fell way the fuck back. Arm pump went away.
You got arm pump?
Yeah.
Good thing you got those.
You got fifth, late.
Who got what?
Fifth.
You got six?
I got six.
Well then yeah, Leighton did.
You know that section that you're going down that choppy hill, and then it's all those bottoms?
Yeah.
That are fast as fuck.
Dude, that was so much fucking fun.
Dude, it was bad.
That track was so much fucking fun.
Fuck! After the 5th mile marker, that sucked.
Yeah.
All that off-camera shit, that sucked.
Dude, my last lap
God damn.
is gonna be so fucking fast compared to my other ones.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was paying attention to the hill bit over there. What'd you say?
My last lap's gonna be so fucking fast compared to my others.
I was gonna say like fast compared to the class, and then we're like down like 2 minutes.
Dude, I'm gonna be fucking pissed. My last lap, I felt like I was hauling ass my last lap.
I came through right before I pitted. It said 42 seconds. I pitted, came around, and said 1:13. I came around this last time, said 1:14. I was
Dude,
like, fuck.
I was sucking dick in the rocks until the 4th lap.
Yeah.
I just said fuck it and started just pushing through them.
You had to like stand way back and let the bike go.
God.